we guide you through how to fix iPhone screen not responding to touch. First, try a forced restart because most unresponsive screens are just system glitches. Press and quickly release volume up, press and quickly release volume down, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If that doesn't work, check if your screen is dirty or wet and gently wipe it with a soft, dry cloth because even a small moisture or oil can block touch responsive or response. Next, remove your screen protector or case since a poorly fitted one can interfere with touch sensitivity. If your iPhone is still frozen, try charging it for at least 15 minutes because low battery can cause touch lag or unresponsiveness. After that, connect it to computer and update iOS using Finder or iTunes in case a software bug is causing the issue. If it nothing works even after restore, it's likely a hardware issue like damaged digitizer and you'll need a repair service or Apple support to fix it.